Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to today, one of the section on the most frequently asked examination questions. Today we're still going to focus more on the chapter on halogen derivatives, and you have yet to watch the first one. I highly recommend you watch the first one because the first one is a question that was in the year 2009, A-level H2 Chemistry. So this was some of the most frequently asked questions, and maybe one of the questions that a lot of people make mistake on. That's why I go through on it. So today we come to the next section. So I'm going to focus more into questions that was taken in the year 2015, paper 3, question 3D. So let's take a look together on these questions. So you can see here, normally in examination, they will give you this kind of flow chart questions. Okay, this is a very, very typical type of exam questions. So let's take a look what they want here. So they say, suggest a structure for the intermediates, your H and your J here. So which means I need to deduce what is likely, right, the products, right, that can be, right, formed in between this step. All right, so let's see together. So this question can be a little bit more advanced, which means that sometimes they may not just involve halogen. These chapters involve a little bit of your carbonyl chemistry. So let's take a look how we will tackle on these questions. So first thing first, I noticed that, I have, this is a CCl. What do you notice about the CCl? The CCl become a CN group. Okay? Oh, this is like a step-up reactions. And whenever you see a reagent condition like that, you also represent that, they're going to do a nucleophilic sub for using the CN, which is a nucleophile, to do the attack with the carbon, kick it with the Cl. So which means I can immediately deduce what is likely my compound to be H-like. So I'm going to draw the compound H. So the A here. So this is how it look like, CHO, and followed by CN group. Right, so this basically you're done with a H. Let's take a number J. So number J here, okay, let's take a look at the reagent in condition, SOCl2. So SOCl2, you must keep in mind that it's always targeting one specific group, and the group is called your hydroxy group. Okay, hydroxy group. So we're going to draw hydroxy group. So that means that in this group here, you're going to change the OH to become a Cl. So I'm going to draw CN, Cl, then followed by CN group. Okay, let me just change a little bit. I think this part is also correct. Okay, got one carbon missing. So let me just change it to become a CN. Okay, so this is how the molecule should look like. So this is basically a compound J, then followed by the compound H. So we're done. Now let's move on to the next part. So the next part here is focusing on your B here. So for number B, suggest a reagent condition for step 4 and 5. So let's take a look at step 4 and 5. Now for step number 4, from this molecule become this molecule. What do you notice here? You notice that the Cl is being exchanged or substituted, to be exact, with NH2. So how do we go about doing these questions? So this is what you need to do. You need to use a nucleophile to do the reactions. So I'm going to write here, B here. So NH2, I recall, if it's NH2, the nucleophile must be your NH3. So I'll be using your NH3. Now here comes the questions. NH3 can be used excess or limited. So which one do I use? Because you only want to have a mono substitution of this product. Only one time on the end. So the one time, so that means this one must be excess because you need to have a lot of NH3 for the reaction to take place to be mono substituted. So you can write down, this is excess concentrated NH3 heat in silk tube. Okay, this is the reaction. Now let's move on to the next one. Step number 4, we are done already. So let me put here step number 4. So for step number 5, from here to here, what do you notice? The CN become a COOH. Okay, CN becomes COOH. So what do we do here? Then you'll be using your H2SO4 aqueous. Then you use heat under reflux. Then this will be using step number 5. Alright, so this is how you solve the questions. Right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have any question, please feel free to comment below, and remember to subscribe our channel and to stay alert for the next set of YouTube video focusing on the most frequently asked examination questions. So it can be junior college, IB, or even O-level examination questions. And thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off right now. Thank you so much.